everybody, so Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we will be tackling some algebra multiple choice type questions for CSEC. So let's get straight into the first question. So this one says, let's start off nice and easy to get the blood flowing. If A is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 6, then A squared minus B squared is equal to. So you already know A is equal to 3. So since A is equal to 3 and we know AB is equal to 6, we know it will be 3 multiplied by B is equal to 6. So B would be equal to, since this 3 is multiplying, I take it over, divide, so we'll have 6 divided by 3, hence B is equal to 2. So if B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 3, then A squared minus B squared would be, so A we know it will be 3 squared minus B squared, which would be 2 squared. So 3 times 3 would be 9, minus 2 times 2 is 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5, which is C. So the next question says, if 5 open bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 35 and x is equal to, so if you have 5 open bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 35 and x is equal to, so I can distribute this throughout. I know when I see brackets, I like to distribute them, which then you could have carried over to 5, divide both sides by 5 and work from there, but let's distribute. So 5 times 2x would give me 10x. 5 times negative 1 would give me negative 5 is equal to 35. So 10x would be equal to, so this 5 is subtracted, and we take it over to add. So 35 plus 5, hence this is equal to 40. So x would therefore be equal to, so this 10 is multiplied, and we take it over to divide. So you have 40 divided by 10. Hence x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4, which is D. I can double check. You can check your answer to make sure. So this is 5 multiplied by 2 times x, which is 4, minus 1. It should be equal to 35. So 5 multiplied by 2 times 4 is 8, minus 1. And it should equal to 35. So 5 multiplied by 8 minus 1 is 7, is equal to 35. So 5 times 7 is equal to 35 is equal to 35. So our answer is indeed 4. So this one says, what is the value of x to the second power plus 3y all divided by xy if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2? So we have x to the second power plus 3y all divided by xy. So x would be equal to 4 squared plus 3 times y, which is equal to 2, all divided by xy, which is 4 multiplied by y, which is 2. So this will be 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 times 2 is 6, all divided by 4 times 2 is 8. So 16 plus 6 is 22 over 8. And this can be broken down to, so 2 can go into 8 4 times, and 11 divided by 2 is, and 22 divided by 2 would be 11. So this is 11 over 4, which will be the same as 4 times 4 into 11, 2. And we're left with a remainder of 3 over 4. So that is 2 and 3 over 4, which is simply D. So the next question says, if m asterisk n is equal to the square root of m cubed minus n squared, then 5 asterisk 2 is equal to, so we see m asterisk n is equal to the square root of m cubed minus n squared. So this would be, we know we want to find 5 asterisk 2. So this would be equal to the square root of m cubed. So we know m is equal to 5. Wherever we have m, we'll put 5. And wherever we have n, we will put 2. This would be m cubed, which would be 5 cubed, subtract n squared, which would be 2 squared. So this would be the square root of, so 5 times 5 would be 25. 25 times 5 would be 125. Subtract 2 times 2 is 4. So this would be the square root of 125 subtract 4. That will give me 121. And then when I take the square root of 121, I know that will give me 11. So 5 asterisk 2 would be equal to 11 after you finish working it out. So our answer here would be D, as in dog. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video in which I tackled some multiple choice type questions. I trust that this video brought some clarity and you now have a good understanding of these concepts that were brought out here today. So I want you to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.